All right, welcome into Geeky's Ranch Reviews and Raves. So let's talk about the new Perceptor that just come out. This is the Studio Series Perceptor with Ratbat and Ram Horn. So I picked it up today at Target. Luckily that order come in because Amazon pushed my Devastator 2-pack order back until the end of September. Target said they had two of them in stock. That turned out to be not true. But at least he came in. So let's look at Perceptor. So he's very cartoon accurate. He's just like the other 86 that come out. Of course, these aren't the 86. These are just Studio Series. There are a few exceptions. As you can see, here's the 86. Here is the new one. The 86 version, you can actually look through the microscope. And this part here is clear. On the new Studio Series, you can't look through the microscope. And this is solid. They transform exactly the same. Colors, little bit of a color variation, but it's hardly noticeable, honestly. This one's a little tad bit darker blue than this one. The red on this one is slightly lighter than the red on this one. But other than that, they're pretty much identical. His head right here is darker than his head is. He's got the little blue stripe or yellow stripe, I'm sorry, right there. He doesn't. Other than that, I mean, it's just a few little minor differences between the two. So other than that, I mean, they're pretty identical. But Ratbat, of course, he's the new one that's coming out. Hopefully, he will match up with the 86 Soundwave when he comes out. His transformation is a little bit more difficult, so you really got to be careful when you transform. His head kind of comes up and out and down. It's kind of a weird thing, and then it folds down, and he got this little peg on his back here that folds up that the back of the jetpack kind of pegs into, which I always thought was kind of weird. Why does a flying bat need a jetpack? But whatever. And then the color doesn't quite match up, but other than that, I mean, he's not bad. And then there's Ram Horn. He's built a lot like Steel Jaw, very square body on him. Again, his legs fold out right here, and this is a whole separate piece, and it plugs up into the bottom. So, but in his cassette mode, he does fit blaster. It's a very tight fit when he gets in there, but so you got to be careful putting him in and out. Anyway, that's that trio that just come out at Target.